A recent report from George Downs at the Wall Street Journal looked into why America's new EV battery belt is shifting the auto industry south.
Check this out. This is a map of some of the battery manufacturing facilities coming online in the US. And as you can see, they're mostly over here. See, as America tries to rapidly increase its battery manufacturing capacity, it's creating what some are calling America's battery belt. But the decisions around where to build these factories is moving America's automotive heartland further south.
And with Blue Oval City breaking ground in Stanton, Tennessee in 2022, the Multi-Point Inspection Podcast has been waiting to see who would follow suit. Be sure to check out our coverage of Blue Oval City Live from back in March of this year. The Multi-Point Inspection Podcast is working on an in-depth report of this new battery belt, and specifically how it will affect the state of Tennessee. But for now, here is a tease of some of the things EV battery related that have been announced in West Tennessee since construction of Blue Oval City began. In April, it was announced that 6K Energy, the cathode production division of 6K Inc., plans to establish a full-scale PlusCam battery material manufacturing plant in my hometown of Jackson. The facility will be the world's first Unimelt plasma cathode plant, providing low-cost, ultra-sustainable production of battery material for localized supply chains in the U.S. And in June, Encam America announced a $150 million investment into Brownsville, Tennessee, which will provide 190 new jobs to the area with a manufacturing facility for electrolytes for EV batteries and other EV battery-related services.
This is one of the most significant announcements, celebrations, groundbreakings that I know the governor and certainly our department wants to and gets to celebrate. To make this announcement, $150 million investment right here in this community with Enchem, 190. That's a lot of jobs, Mayor.
Yes, sir.
And, new jobs, high-paying jobs, and really, it's part of this puzzle. As I say, we're all carefully putting this puzzle together around the electric.
And just this week, it was announced that Canadian auto parts maker Magna is spending $790 million on 3 new U.S. supplier plants, with 2 of them on the Blue Oval City campus in West Tennessee.
New this morning, a big update on the Ford plant opening in West Tennessee called Blue Oval City. State leaders announced Magna will invest more than $790 million to build the first supplier facilities. That includes 2 at the Blue Oval City Supplier Park in Stanton. Magna will also build a stamping and assembly facility in the mid-state. The $200 million investment will create 250 new jobs in Lawrenceburg, making it the largest jobs announcement and one-time capital investment in that community.
The facilities will produce battery enclosures, truck frames, as well as seats for Ford's second-generation electric truck that is codenamed Project T3. Stay tuned to the Multi-Point Inspection Podcast for our in-depth series on what is being called America's new battery belt. IntelliCheck. Know your competition.